Hello friends, Moringa leaves or drumstick leaves are one of the richest source of vitamins and minerals. Today we want to show you two recipes with Moringa leaves. They are very rich in antioxidants and can reduce sugar levels and bad cholesterol, balances hormones and can give you an energy boost. We can use Moringa leaves in so many ways in our regular diet. You're watching DCIT channel and in DCIT recipes, today we brought Moringa chutney and Moringa soup. Let's start with Moringa chutney. This chutney is quite tangy and spicy in taste. First take 3 cups of Moringa leaves, also called as drumstick leaves, in a colander and wash 2 to 3 times to remove dust. Now take a pan and add 1 teaspoon of oil and washed moringa leaves. Keep mixing and fry it until the leaves shrink. Keep it aside. Now take another pan and add 1 teaspoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon of urad dal and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Fry for 2 minutes. Add 3 dry red chilies and fry for some more time. Now add 1 roughly chopped tomato and saute it. Add salt as per your taste. After oil releases, add 1/4 cup of dry coconut powder. You can use same quantity of freshly grated coconut here. Give it a good mix. Let them cool to grind. Once cooled, add this tomato coconut mixture in a mixer and add fried moringa leaves. Close the lid and grind into a fine paste. Take a serving bowl and transfer this colorful moringa chutney into it. Now let's make a tempering for the chutney. Take a small pan and heat it. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. Add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let it splutter. Add a pinch of hing into it. Add 2 to 3 curry leaves. Let it splutter. Add this tempering to the chutney. Enjoy this healthy moringa chutney with idli, dosa or rice. This chutney can be stored for 2 to 3 days in refrigerator. Now let's see how to make moringa or drumstick leaves soup. It's so easy to prepare and nutritious too. First we will prepare coconut milk. For this, take half coconut and grind in a mixer jar. Add little water and again grind it. Sieve this coconut mixture. Press with a spoon to extract milk from it. So this is the coconut milk we get. Now take a bowl and heat it. Add 1 tablespoon of oil, half teaspoon of fennel seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 cloves and 3 cardamom, half teaspoon of chopped ginger, half teaspoon of chopped garlic and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix everything. Add 1 roughly chopped onion and fry it. Add 1 roughly chopped tomato and fry it. Now add half teaspoon of coriander powder. Give it a good mix. Add half cup of coconut milk and add half cup of boiled dal water. Mix and then close the lid. Let it boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, switch off the gas and let the mixture cool completely. Now take 1 cup of drumstick leaves in a colander and wash them 2 to 3 times to remove dust. Take a mixie jar and add washed moringa leaves. Close the lid and grind. Now add cooked tomato mixture and grind like a fine paste. Take a sieve and filter the mixture and press with a spoon so that it will be filtered maximum. Add salt as per your taste. Add 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon of lemon juice. If you want, you can increase the amount of lemon juice. Take a small pan and add half teaspoon of ghee. Ghee enhances the aroma and taste of the soup. Add few moringa leaves and fry it. Transfer this fried moringa leaves to the soup. Boil the soup once. See, the color is also thickened. If you want, you can add little water. This should be the consistency. Serve this healthy, refreshing moringa soup to your family and get health benefits. Please do try this out and let us know your feedback in the comment section below. For more such healthy recipes, please do subscribe our DCRT channel and click bell icon. Thank you.